The Helios system combines all the functionalities of a conventional odometer with GPS and intelligent notifications, all in a single system integrated within the steel of the bicycle, reducing the resistance to the air and eliminating the need to assemble annoying devices in the handlebar. Connect Helios to your smartphone by Bluetooth and receive the notifications that you choose. Filter out which contacts can reach you, so that you only receive them from who you want. Take your routes on a map, analyze them and share them with your friends. Easy to use and install. Without wires, just connect and enjoy.
I want to show you the new design of Helios, exclusive for Kickstarter that only can be purchased here. In this new design, we added a new screen with e-ink technology, with perfect visibility that is not affected by sunlight and has a higher view angle. We also added a few more screen inches, all in a very elegant design. This time for mountain bike and also for road bike. We hope this project shakes up the world of smart devices in cycling. We hope you like our project and give us your support. Thank you very much.